Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jane, and on today's video we're going to be focusing on H&M haul. Again, H&M has been killing it this season, so I've done a couple of pieces on H&M. I have an H&M haul video linked up, so you can go check that one out, where I did the styling for a couple of pieces I've gotten all over the sale. FYI, I shot 2 videos today, so if you see me wearing the same outfit, it's because I shot 2 videos today and I can't be bothered about changing it, just to let you guys know, so nobody just become people in my comment section. Anyway, okay, so today we're going to be talking H&M haul, and on this video I have, this is a first impressions video. I have not seen these items or what they look like, so we're going to be going through them together, and then you're going to see the styling video. So if that's something you're interested in, please continue watching. And if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe to support the channel. I'm pretty new on YouTube and I'm trying to grow the channel, so please subscribe and support me. So yeah, so now let's get into the reason why you're here. H&M has been really killing it this season. So whoever it is that is the creative director for styling, or whatever the title is, they need a raise because they have done ridiculously well this period. The only issue I had with H&M is their shipping time, which Zara on the other hand kills it at that point. So they have to work on that. But aside from that, they've really had good pieces. So I have a couple of pieces here that I got from the sale that's still ongoing, and new ones. So it's kind of a mess, and we're going to go through them together. So first piece, I don't know what this is. Okay, I think I do. Oh, this is my problem with H&M, with quality, or it's really hit and miss for them. This is a smoke top with puffy sleeves. H&M went to town with puffy sleeve and square neck this period. Anyway, this is a smoke top with puffy sleeve and square neck. And so, yeah, how much was this? Oh, I don't know how much it says. Pricing and sizing details are going to be in the description box below. I got this in a large though. So yeah, next. This skirt, I wanted another skirt on the H&M side. Oh, this feels good. But that one was pretty sold out. That's like the tie and dye blue skirt was really popular. So I got this one instead. And this is a really colorful skirt, which is why I like it. It could go with a lot of things. It's very, very chic and summery. So I am really excited to try this one on. The only thing is that I wish it had pockets, which I don't know. Someone needs to tell them at H&M that women love things with pockets. So yeah, it's like it's really nice. You would see more about it on the styling side of the video. Okay, I just decided to pair the skirt with this top just to see how it looks. I'll wear this together. But this skirt, I got this in it's really big. Like, it's just extra room here. I really wish, I know it's sold out. It's sold out on the website, so, but this is how I would like it to fit. It's really flowy, nice. And it's like just gives me like beach vibes. Oh, I love it. I love the print on it. It's very summery and beachy. All the colors in it. It's just really big. I don't know. I don't know if I want to keep this or go get it altered. Because, yeah. I really wish this had pockets though. It would kill it if it had pockets. Oh, someone needs to talk to people at H&M. Yeah. I keep looking this way because my mirror is here, so sorry. Alright, next one. Okay, this is like a crop top. Oh, I love the colors in this. Like a crop top with puffy sleeves, and I know what I'm going to style this one with. Puffy sleeve, smoke thingy here. Yeah, and next one, I don't know the price of this one. I got this in large as well. Okay, so this one, this is a skirt I got from Zara from a previous haul. This one is oversized, so I probably might also return it and get a small size. So I kind of had this lilac piece in mind. There's also another lilac piece I ordered that I want to try it with. I had it in mind, so I decided to put one together. And they do look good. I don't mind the top, it's really nice. It's chic, it's simple, it's very summery. I wear it with lots of pieces. So I'm going to style this in my next Zara styling video with the palazzo pants that everybody has. You're going to see that in that video. So that's how I would style this one. Well, I just went through these two pieces on together so you see what it looks like. So yeah, this is really cute. Again, big issue. So yeah, why did I buy this? Okay, so this is another square neck elastic. I really don't know why I got this. This looks very, I think this is linen, but it looks very cheap and weak. It's not going to survive 1 or 2 washes. It's going to just die. So I might send this one back. Okay, so this one is the one piece I don't know why I got. If it's anything more than $10, I'm just doing it. It's a white linen, easy to wear kind of fabric. It's lightweight. I can't remember how much I bought this. I hope it's not expensive because it's not worth anything more than $10 in my head. So yeah, but this is what it looks like. I just trade on with this cord again just to see what it looks like. It does look good, but it depends on the price. So, okay, this is just a basic top. Again, fall is coming. I really love this color. Ooh, it looks good at me. Fall is coming, and this is going to be a really good layering piece for my blazers. So I like this one. It's about to rain and the weather just went to shit. I don't know. I'm sorry about the lighting, guys. I already have external lighting, but yeah. Again, this is another skirt, pleated. I really love the colors of this. Pleated skirt. It has pink and it has orange, so it really would go well. It would go well with this one. Okay, let me try this out so you see. This I got in a medium. Yeah, I got this in a medium. So usually for H&M, I'm top. Okay, so I paired these two together. This cat, I had a different vision for it. It just looks very yummy-ish. I don't know the way I want to look. I have a toddler that reminds me of that every day. And I paired it with these pieces. I love this top because I could really layer it. I could wear it on blazers. I could wear it on the blazers, and I could jazz it up in the fall winter. It's just a really simple piece. But yeah, and I paired it with this skirt just so you see. I'm on the fence about this skirt. It was on sale. I think it got like $12 or $15. So I don't know if I want to return it. It's not a vibe I wanted, right? It's very, I don't know. Maybe if I style it differently, I will see it. I'm just not seeing it right now. But this is how it looks like. It's lined, pleated. Yeah. My top is large, my bottoms are usually medium. Again, because I'm top heavy, I'm heavy busted, so it's a struggle. The problem I have is when it comes to dresses, and that's when there is a struggle. And talking about that, here is a dress. So this dress, I love the details on it. Look at this embroidery details on it. I really like these details. It has it all over. This dress comes in a white and a black, and I probably should have gotten the black, but we'll see how this white fits. But yeah, so it's white and it has this spaghetti strap inside because it's sheer. And this I got in medium. Okay, this was $50 on sale. So this details on this dress. This dress is expensive. Fit is nice. I just wanted another white summer dress. This was this dress. This dress was originally $100 at H&M and went on sale, and yeah, I really love this one. Detail is really nice. If you can see, detail is great. Detail looks rich, but not so much cheap material. So it's nice detail. I like it. Fits good. Fits nice. Yeah. You're gonna see more of this in my styling video coming up. First impression, this one is a win. This is a pleated, not pleated, mini skirt, but it has ruching on it. Lots of ruching. So here. And very colorful. I love skirts for fall because I can wear tights and long boots with them. So skirts are like my vibe for fall. And I think this would work because I refuse not to wear colors in fall. I don't agree with the notion that fall is for dull colors. I am the paradigm shift. I would change that. I refuse to wear dark color for fall. So this is my summer/fall piece. Okay, so this is a mini skirt from H&M. It's high-waisted, so really nice. And this is the smoked top detail. The top is smoked detail. I don't mind this. This is nice. Wear it off shoulder, you can wear it this way. I probably would wear it this way. But yeah, it's really nice. Fits well. Oh, I really love the skirt. It's citrusy green. Love the detail on it. You can wear this with like a bralette. This, I think this two will fall together, but I might style them differently. But I like this skirt. I got this in a large. This in a large. So yeah. I stocked this top. Like I legit stocked this top. This top comes in a white and a black. I am really interested to see what this would be like on me because it has a really deep V cut. Yeah. And so big boob problems. I'm gonna see what this looks like. It has, yeah, we're gonna see the styling in the video. Yeah, I love the frill details on here though. So yeah, that's about the items I got from H&M. Okay, so this top I can't zip it at the back because it has one of those zip things that think about the kind of zip that's on your winter jacket. Like you need to, I don't know how to explain it, but it's that kind of zip that it's in a winter jacket. So I can't see it. I have nails on and it's just a struggle. So I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. It does fit. I just can't put it on myself, and there's no one at home to help me. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. I just drew on this short so you see it. But it looks like this shirt is oversized. I know, I'm returning this. Zara shorts. Yeah, so this top, I love the frills here. I love this deep V. I thought I was going to be worried about it. No, it actually does fit very well. This top comes in a black and a white. I think this is sold out on H&M website. In my country, at least, so you might probably find it on yours. I'm going to try and link it down. But yeah, I love how it fits. It kind of hides the big book detail, which is the goal. Great. I really wish I could show you guys the back. I'm probably going to wear it in another video so you can see what it looks like. But I can't get it. It's just a struggle. But anyway. Thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you guys for watching this video to the end. I have a couple more videos coming up, so please subscribe to the channel if you're interested. And I have a Zara video coming up, and I have another H&M video coming up. I have a couple more styling videos coming up, so please let me know what you think about these pieces. If you think what they fit like and what I should keep, what I should return, and if you have any other suggestion, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you all very well, and stay blessed, stay safe, and see you guys in the next video.